Hello everyone, today I want to show you a pretty cool thing that I learned about, which is how do we look up to the left. So actually, if you are familiar with VLOOKUP function, you know that you would always VLOOKUP with your index to be the leftmost column, and then you look up whatever that thing you want. Like for example, in our case, if it's like performance rating, then you select the range, select the column, and then you get like whatever data that you look for. But then what if you're looking to the left? Let's say we have the name here, and then we want to look for the people's employee ID, which is one column to the left. How do we do that? So this is where we actually need to use an array function together with the if function. So let me show you how to do that in a sec. So you still have the VLOOKUP, you still have the whatever content that you need to look up for. And then what you need to do here is to make sure you have this if function with the 0 to 1 array, which is actually switching the range within the if function. So the value, if true, it will be the first column, which is like the first data range, which is like in our case employee name, and then the second one is going to be the employee ID. Well, actually, and then you close the bracket, and then it's still like the one column, so it's 2. So okay, so actually I was wrong there. It should be like this. It should be the column that you wanna look up to the to the left, and then the column that you look for to the right. And then now you close the bracket, you would get the employee ID here. So what if, like you see in this case, the columns are side by side. What if I want to look up, say, by the date of hire, which in our case is a unique value, and I want to look up for the employee ID there. So actually it will be the same thing. You still look up for whatever data you have there, and then you still make sure you have the array function with 0 to 0 comma 1, and then you select the range that you want to look up, which is A to column A, and then you look up the column to the like the original one, which in our case here is column F, and then you actually still look up to the column 2 to column 2 as an index, make it exact match, and then you would still get the employee ID that you look for to the right. Okay, so in our video here, I'm showing you how to look up to, how do we look up to the left, regardless of how far away that column is to the left. And I think this is really handy in when you manipulate a large database. So keep in mind of the if function and the array function there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I will talk to you very soon.